what TPAC is. She just told me and I've forgotten about it. And Dr. Sadia has a number of years experience in teacher training, in training the teachers about using technology in their classrooms. So over to Dr. Sadia now. She will talk more about her experience as a teacher trainer in EdTech. And
okay, so as she has already talked about myself, that I'm Dr. Sadia from Air University, and she has also talked about my experience that I have been teaching the different subjects of linguistics in the Department of English, and I'm working on a project currently. So let's talk about, first of all, what I'm going to talk about today. I'm going to talk about the much hyped term use of generative AI, and we talk about it a lot these days. So I've been using, I have been exploring the use of technology in ELT since 2006 when I first did my master's, that is MPhil. So that was the first time when I explored it, and at that time it was computer-assisted language learning thing, and somebody who could be called as a legend in and when I used it, it was like a bigger, oh, it's magic. So in the beginning, it was something like that. And in early spring 2023, I asked my students, have you ever used ChatGPT? So 60% of them said no. And I said, why not? Right? And then it was 40% who said yes. Right? So it's something same, but it's different. Right? So we used to use like Edpuzzle for the students, Kahoot, Quizlet, Canva, Google Classroom. So we use all these things. So in this workshop, I'll talk about some of the tools like ChatPDF, Gemini, Gamma AI, and InVideo. These are the tools which I'm going to focus on. Now, let's talk about the hype which was there. Again, it is taken from Ilka Kosta's presentation. Why is there so much hype about AI? So it's a question asked by the teachers. I think AI is unethical. So why should enthusiasts? There are resistors and there are realists who believe that AI is going to stay, but I can survive even without it as well. Right? And the resistors are those who say that no, AI is not needed. And enthusiasts are basically tech enthusiasts or people in academia who look for innovations, right? Beyond the hype, let's look at what's the reality, what it can pose to us. It can co-construct the knowledge with you, but how would it construct the knowledge? Like I talked about my TPAC framework, you construct the knowledge based on your prior knowledge of the subject, isn't it? When you are working on anything, I find this tool very much useful. I'll tell you what are the advantages of making use of ChatPDF while showing you. Let me just refresh it.
That's great, wonderful.
This one, lesson plan.
इस content का plan नहीं है, तो just lesson planning को बता दें इस तरह से planning.
Test their memory, their comprehension or understanding, and their application of knowledge, analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. So in the exams, we need to ask the questions on these different domains. So sometimes you are very. They explain all the things. In the class, they are going to do the activities which are based on application of knowledge, on the analysis of the gained knowledge, on the evaluation of the text, where they are going to bring in the examples from their everyday life or the the new things, the things that they can create. Do whatever the way you want to use. If you are using it for the assignments, you can use it for the assignments. So it's up to you how you are going to make use of it. So you can make use of this option, Gamma AI. Now I'm talking about its functions. It's easy. You have to present it and you just simply go to this and you can use the spotlight option for the animations which you use to create. So it's this animation which is already inbuilt. So it's spotlight. So you shift it and then you get the next one. And if you want to move to the things down below, so you just have to press the down cursor and you get the things. So that's the spotlight option in it, and that's very convenient. Another important feature is that you can share. Are you following? Share option, copy link, and you can share it with your audience. So that's another important feature of it. And here, for the traditional users, you can go for export to PowerPoint. So you can export it like as PowerPoint slides, and then you can use as PowerPoint slides. You can also export to PDF, and you can export as a PDF file, right? So these are also the options available. Communication breakdowns, adapting communication styles, conclusion and takeaways, right? So if you want some more things to be added, you can add at least 2 more slides in the with the like credit 40 that would be used here, right? For example, activity on listening. The slides. ये पूरा AI जनरेटेड है। आप हर स्लाइड का कंटेंट अपने मुताबिक चेंज कर सकते हैं। यस यस Now you have got the complete AI generated deck of slides, right? All talked about the types of text. It's all simple, just giving them a lecture on it, and then identifying text type. I talked about what are the different text types, and then in the class, I did this activity, and you can see that it was, instead of giving them a sort of the Google form, because creating Google form again requires time, but it also requires time, but not that much. So that requires a lot of time. What I did, so on the click, answer is visible. So that's the toggle option available in Gamma AI. You can toggle the answer. It's mentioned there. Tool is that you can edit the video that is once generated with the help of this AI tool.
.com पे जाते हैं. Let me just I shared the link. जब आप Friday.com पे जाते हैं तो it's a brainstorming tool. इस तरह का do you want me to show the demo or आप खुद करना चाहोगे इसको? लेकिन हम यहाँ से डेट चेंज कर सकते हैं. Change the deadline. इसको आप यहाँ डेट पे जाएं, 10 साल आगे ले जाएं. Year 2026 का मैंने आज क्या है 22nd जो है वो सिलेक्ट कर दिया. So year 2026 तक ये ट्रांजिशन will be active.